Jesus. We're not here to preach about Jesus. We're here to experience Jesus. I am not here to talk about Jesus. I am here to bring you Jesus, to text Jesus, to touch Jesus, to feel Jesus. We are not here to talk about how good Jesus is. We are here to experience the goodness of Jesus. Words are not enough. Jesus is here to manifest his words. The good thing about him these days, he says, where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, I am there in their midst. In other words, if Jesus is here tonight, all things are possible. If Jesus is here tonight, you are not going to experience a religious, mystical Jesus. You will experience Jesus present. And the Bible says, where God's presence is, there is fullness of joy. And at his right hand, there are pleasures evermore. In other words, pleasures are here tonight. Healing is here tonight. Breakthrough is here tonight. Intimate relationship with Christ will be made possible. Divine protection, divine healing, divine provision will be made available because you have come to, in a banquet, you have come to eat, to fellowship, to dine with Christ himself. When you know how to lay hold of his presence, everything is made possible.